Hi, this is Genesis Ward with Sozo Education and Beauty Supply. I would like to introduce you to Bubble Bath Sprinkles. Only 1 ounce is needed for a long lasting bubble bath. Each package comes with an organza bag so you can get started right away. In this demo, I will show you how to use 2 different methods to get the most amount of bubbles in your bubble bath. If you have a bubble basket, this would be the best choice to get the most bubbles possible. I will have a link in the description so you can purchase direct from the manufacturer, or they will also be available on my site. The fine detail in the particular mold I am using works the very best as it will contain the sprinkles until they are completely dissolved. You can also use a mesh strainer from your kitchen to achieve the same results. Until you become a bubble bath connoisseur, the organza bag will work in the meantime. The key is having a firm water pressure coming down directly on top of the sprinkles to generate the most amount of bubbles. Custom orders are available upon request, and there is a full fragrance listing available on the website. Relax and have some fun with these cute bath time additions. Visit us at sozoeducationandbeautysupply.com for more information.